Hi there, I'm Robert, and you're watching Suburban Preppers. So, in a previous community post and a short, I mentioned how Morrison's were selling these can openers for only 60p for a twin pack. But it seems some people aren't actually sure how to use them. So I've got it, obviously it's a different colour. I use one of these in the van all of the time when I'm away. So I thought I'd just do a quick video just to show how to use one, just in case anyone isn't sure. It's breakfast time here, so I'm going to have beans on toast. I need to open a tin of beans. I've got one out of my prep store without the ring pull on, specifically for this video. Like I say, so I'll show you how to use this can opener on a regular can on a tin of baked beans. Okay, so on the tin opener you can see there's a little kind of a lip here and then like a hook type bit where it would pierce the can. It actually does it the other way around, so it's obviously that way up, but then you can't really see. That's a better angle. So this lip here, it hooks on the underneath the side of here, and then the hook type bit here with the point, it pierces in the top of the rim just in here, and then you rotate it, pierce it in, out, rotate the can, pierce it in, and just keep going around and around and around until you get the lid off the tin. So you have this little bit here, it hooks under the rim, so that's it hooked in, and then like I say, this bit here, there we go, try and get it in the camera shot. You get it in there, and then you just, oops, sometimes it slips off, but rotates in. It's got the first cut, and you just keep going around the tin. Obviously I'm not standing properly so I can get it on the camera. But once you get into a little rhythm, you know, you just have to get the hang of it. Oh, and it squirts the juice everywhere. And then you just need to be careful. Obviously I'm covered in bean juice. You need to be careful because this is extremely sharp around the edges. But there you go. Your can is open. So that's it, guys. That was how to use these can openers. The ones that I showed, Morrison's were selling for 60p for two. It should go without saying, but I'll say it anyway just in case. Just make sure that you give this a wash because obviously it's been in the food that's in the tin. Some people might just put it away as it is. Like I say, it needs a wash, otherwise you're going to get poorly very quickly. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you have anything that you wish to share with me, any comments or thoughts, then please do leave them in the comment section below. And if you're not a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button. It helps this channel grow considerably. It helps with the algorithm, and YouTube then show the video to more people like yourself and myself who are interested in prepping videos. And with that, I'll say thanks for watching and bye for now.